Good afternoon, everyone. How are you all? Very good. Today we'll understand one topic, that is pulley block system. Okay. One block will be there, one pulley will be there, and it will be attached with some strings and all. And we'll try to find some acceleration and tension. Okay. So write new heading, pulley block system. Write new heading, pulley block system. Right, everyone? Pulley block system. Listen here. I'll take one question. From question you try to understand. See here, one pulley is here. Now it is attached with one ceiling. It is attached with one ceiling. See here, all of you. Here, one string is attached to pulley. One string is attached to pulley. Mass is M1. Another mass is here. That is M2. In question will write. Another mass is M2. This is a pulley now. Now here remember, this M2 is greater than M1. M2 is greater than what? M1. And here one string is there. Tell me, it is one string or two strings? One string. So one string means what you know? At each and every point on this string, tension will be same. So that means I can write, this is the point of contact. So now here tension will be in this direction, T. Here tension will be in this direction, that is T. That is the point of contact. Now this tension will be same at each and every point on the string. Now they are asking what here? Now you find what? Find I, acceleration of the system. Acceleration of the system. And second I, tension in the string. What it is? Tension in the string. And also find tension in the string. These two things you find. One is acceleration of the system, or acceleration of each block also they can tell. System or each block acceleration you find, that will be same only. And you find also what is the tension in the string. Tension in the string. Understood? See here. Detailed analysis will do. We'll try to calculate how acceleration coming, tension coming. But before that, direct answer I want to try to write. How I want to try to write? All of you listen carefully here. All of you listen. One M2 mass is there, one M1 mass is there. Both the masses, M2 is greater than M1. And this total system is hanging like this. Okay. Now, what will happen? This M2 is heavy mass. Definitely will go towards down. It will go with acceleration A. With the same acceleration, this object will go what? Upward. With acceleration how much? Same acceleration A. So this is the acceleration of the system or acceleration of each block. What is that acceleration? Let me write A. What let me write? A. What is that A? Now I'll write like this. This M2 is heavy mass. So I'll write heavy mass minus light mass divided by addition of both the masses into G. Into what? G. So this is the formula for acceleration. This one we have to derive. We have to calculate how it is coming. And what is the tension here? The tension will be T equal to 2 times product of the masses divided by addition of the masses into G. You have to remember like this. Okay? How to remember? Tension is nothing but tension in the string. 2 into M1 M2 by M1 plus M2 into G. This is the direct formula. Remember, if any question comes here, 1 kg, 2 kg, 3 kg, 4 kg, whatever they give, you can calculate here. Acceleration and tension. Yes or no? Formula remember. Now, how this is coming? how this tension is coming, we'll try to find according to Newton's laws. Okay, Newton's second law will apply and try to do that. And already you know, to solve any problems in mechanics or in Newton's laws of motion, you need free body diagram. What you need? Free body diagram. So separately M1, M2 free body diagram will do, we'll try to find it out. First you note it down, question. You have to find this acceleration. This actually answer I wrote directly. But you have to find how acceleration is coming. G, small g. Is acceleration due to gravity. Small g is acceleration due to gravity. T is tension in the string. So acceleration formula, shortcut formula, remember, see, always do like this. Heavy mass M2 minus light mass M1. Heavy mass minus light mass divided by addition of the mass into G. Similarly, for tension what? 2 times product of the masses divided by addition of the masses into G. Okay, this idea remember. Now next listen all of you. Now first we'll find what is the acceleration of the, we'll find here acceleration of system or acceleration of each block. So what is the acceleration of system? All of you listen. First you do free body diagram. Free body diagram of M1. All of you see here. Already picture you have done M1. For M1 definitely gravitational force is downward. That is M1G downward. And tension is there here, one tension, that is T. And object is moving upward direction, that is A, right? I'll write A here. Now next listen. In this side I'll write free body diagram of M2. If M2 free body diagram I'll do, you see here M2 is like this. Tension is upward. Downward will be M2G. And here acceleration is downward. See the picture? The same thing we have done in the before picture, right? Yes or no? Previous picture, here, picture. M1 is going upward, tension T, downward gravity. Similarly, M2 is going downward, tension T upward, M2G downward actually will be there. So this picture we have drawn here, but these masses are detached from the system and freely these masses we are showing you. So that's why free body diagram. Yes or no? Now can you apply Newton's second law here? Can you applying Newton's second law? If you apply Newton's second law, same what I can write? Total F net equal to what? Mass times acceleration. What is F net here? What is the net force here? Girls, say please, what is the net force here? See, upward one force acting T, downward force is M1G. Yes or no? And this object is moving which direction? Upward direction. That means this upward force is greater than M1G. Yes or no? So that means if net force I want to find, then T minus M1G equal to what? M1A. Now this one I'll keep as equation 1. Equation 1 I'll keep. Now next right here. Now here similarly applying Newton's second law. What I'll get? Now net force, basically mass into acceleration. Now net force here, tell what is the net force here? M2G downward, tension is upward, acceleration is downward. So which force will be greater? Definitely M2G, because this object is moving downward. That means the downward force is greater magnitude. That's why it is moving downward. So that means I can write here M2G greater force minus T equal to what? M2A. Now this is your equation 2. This is your equation 1, that is your equation 2. Yes or no? 2 equations you got. Now you don't know acceleration, you need to find acceleration. How to find acceleration? Listen all of you. What I'll do here? Now I'll add these equations. Now listen. Add equation 1 and 2 equation 1 and 2. So what we'll get here? Now listen, I have equation 1 like this, T minus M1G equal to M1A, and here I have M2G minus T equal to M2A. Okay, now add this. Now if you add here, what will happen? See, all of you, tension will cancel each other. Now I can write here M2G minus M1G equal to, addition is here, M1 plus M2 into A. Now if A I want to calculate, tell me what will be A, say M2 minus, or one line you write here, M2 minus M1, G take common. Now right here it is M1 plus M2 into A. Now what is A? M2 minus M1 by M1 plus M2 into G. G is basically acceleration due to gravity. Okay, so this is what we got here. Yes or no? This is the acceleration. By solving equation 1 and 2, we got the acceleration. Clear, boys? So this directive formula remember for entrance questions, to solve entrance questions, and derivation remember for your school exam. Yes or no? So now to find tension in the string, so write second I, tension in the string, this one will try to find. Tension in the string. What will be tension? Now substitute the value of A in any one of the equation. Which equation you want? Equation 1 you substitute. That is T minus M1G equal to M1A. This equation. Now here T will be how much? M1A plus M1G. Now A value you can substitute here. So what is A value? M1, M2 minus M1 by M1 plus M2 into G plus M1G. Now this tension if you calculate here, you can take LCM M1 plus M2. Take LCM M1 plus M2. Now M1, M2, G you can take common. G you take common also. G you take common. M1 will multiply your M1, M2 minus M1 square. Now here this LCM, this one you will multiply there. Same thing will get M1 square plus M1 into M2. Now check minus M square plus M square will get cancelled. So check everyone. Now this and this getting cancelled. Now getting M1 into M2 plus M1 into M2. How much it is? 2 M1 into M2 divided by M1 plus M2 into G. So now this is your tension in the string. Yes, ask doubt. Any doubt is there? All derivation steps are you able to understand? You are not able to understand here. See, LCM I have taken M1 plus M2. This M1 will multiply with M2, will give M1 into M2. This M1 will multiply with this M1, so it will become minus M1 square. Now this M1 plus M2 will multiply there also, right? It will multiply there, then M1 into M1 will become M1 square. M2 and M1 will become M1 into M2. Now minus plus will cancel, only remaining is this much. LCM only, simply LCM you have taken. Substitute and take LCM. M1 plus M2 take LCM. Yes or no? You know this or not? 1 by A plus 1 by B, or 1 by A plus B. How? What will write here? Tell. A 1 plus AB. Correct or not? So what you take this one here? Then you do that. So take these two terms are there. Your division is there. M1 plus M2. You down you take M1 plus M2. Then normal maths calculation do. Say if you are not able to do this way, you can take here from this step also you can do yourself. M1G you can take common, M1G. Then this term plus 1 will be there. There also LCM you can take. By taking M1G common also you can do, no reach. But this also you can get. So this is basically tension in the string. Tension in the string. All of you clear? No doubt? So formula remember, direct question if comes in numericals. I'll give you an example numericals. But before that, just understand star mark point right. If I'll do free body diagram of pulley. Suppose I am doing free body diagram of pulley. You see what is happening. Free body diagram of pulley, see. So this is your pulley actually. And here on this pulley one force is acting upward direction. That is basically I am giving basically okay one normal reaction R like giving. And one force is acting here downward direction. That is due to what? Strings. Tension TT. Tension TT. Now this support R basically is pulley jet equilibrium. Remember, pulley jet equilibrium. So I can write this R. R equal to nothing but 2 times T. Already tension you know. If you want to find what is the reaction, given by pulley, that is basically nothing but it is 2T, 2 times T. R is reaction you can write. This is tension. This is the tension, this is the reaction. Reaction or support you can tell. Okay. Support by the ceiling you can tell. A reaction basically. Anything you can tell, you remember this. So at equilibrium R equal to, when the pulley is not moving, that means R, whatever vertical force equal to total downward force. Vertically upward force equal to vertically downward force. So R equal to 2T. Remember this. Okay. So do free body diagram of pulley and try to understand this. You can write here reaction on pulley or by pulley. So to the pulley that ceiling is attached now, ceiling is giving support this much reaction, 2T support it is giving. And the same reaction, pulley also giving to that. So reaction on pulley or reaction by pulley you can write, no worries. Normal reaction on pulley. Clear? Okay. Try to write this. Now all of you listen one thing. We'll take one problem, numerical. We'll try to calculate acceleration and tension for this particular question. Okay? Listen carefully. Listen all of you. Here one question I am taking. Now one pulley system is there. In this pulley system, two masses are there. Two masses. One is what? One is 4 kg and another mass is 6 kg. 6 kg, 4 kg. 6 kg, 4 kg, two masses are there. Okay. So this is your pulley. Now in this system, you find what is acceleration of each block. Acceleration of each block. Or you find tension in the string. Tension in the string. So this is what you have to find here. This is the question. You find acceleration of each block and tension in the string. Clear? Okay. Note it down. You can use direct formula and you can get the answer. Use direct formula answer. What will your answer say? Acceleration of each block. That is A basically. All of you listen carefully. 6 kg, 4 kg. 6 kg is greater mass, 4 kg is lower mass, right? So our formula is heavy mass minus light mass. 6 minus 4 divided by 6 plus 4. 6 plus 4 into G. So how much it is coming? 2 by 10 G, or basically G by 5. And if acceleration due to gravity given in question G equal to 10, then answer is 2. If G is 9.8, then 9.8 by 5 you calculate. Okay, I'll write G by 5. Now second I write tension equal to same thing you calculate. 2 times 6 into 4. Why 2 times 6 into 4? Because 2 M1 into M2 formula divided by 6 plus 4 into G. So now calculate 8 into 6, 48 by 10 G, or basically you can write 4.8 G, or you cancel and write 4.8. So this is your this much Newton, or if G value 10 you take now, 48 Newton will come. So let's take G value 10. Okay, suppose I am considering if G value 10 meter per second square, then what I'll write here say 10 by 5 equal to 2 meter by second square. And here it will happen what? 48 by 10 into 10, which will give me 48 Newton. 48 Newton. So this is your answer. They asked acceleration and tension, you got like this. Yes or no? If any question gives like this, just use formula and get. Time is there still, wait. Write down, note it down. Now another question I'll give you try. Little complicated, but with this concept you can do that. Clear? Five minutes now, 5 MCQ you can solve. Okay, wait. Listen. Next question. Please you do the picture, you do yourself, because direct formula only. No need to write, you do yourself. This question all of you listen. This question listen. Hello Thalapati, sit properly. All of you listen here. One system is given like this. One system is given like this. Okay. Now in this system, what they are asking? Now you find here. Find acceleration of each block. Acceleration of each block. Your all block will move with the same acceleration. No need to worry. Now tell which is heavier mass, which is lower mass. Which side? Right side is heavy. So right side will go downward with A. This one will go upward with A. Yes or no? That's it. Now see, they asked just acceleration, right? So what you do? Answer right. Your answer listen. This mass together you consider. Together you tell how much it will be. Together it will be 4 kg, right? Now which is heavy mass, 4 kg or 2 kg? 4 kg. They asked acceleration. So acceleration A equal to 4 minus 2. 4 kg minus 2 kg. M1, M2 now see this is M1, this is M2. This together I considered. Now 4 minus 2 by 4 plus 2 into G. Now it is 2 by 6G, which is G by 3. Now if it is given, G value given, you can substitute. Nothing is given now, 9.8 by 3 you do. If it is mentioned something, then 10 mentioned na 10 by 3 you do. Okay. 9.8 is corrected G value. So acceleration you got. But now one point is there. Tension. You can find this tension or not? Tension. This is the tension T. T you can find. Okay. But here see, here one string is there. Yes or no? Now this tension will be different. This tension will be T prime. What is that one? What is that value? This tension is okay, no, is T. But this tension is T prime because this is different string. Yes or no? So you have to do the free body diagram. For which one? 3 kg. For 3 kg you do free body diagram and you get the T prime value. Already A value you got, right? So do the free body diagram for 3 kg, then get the T prime value. And all of you listen. If it T I want to find here, that is normal formula. M1, this is 2 kg M1, this total 4 kg is M2. This total addition I did, 4 kg is M2. Now tension if you want to find now T value, then it is 2 into 4 divided by 2 plus 4 into G. So 2 into 2, 4 into 4, 16. 16 by 6. So 16 by 6 means 8 by 3. 8G by 3. This is a tension. Tension you got. That did not ask here, they asked the acceleration, we completed up to that. Knowledge. Tension you can find. Now to find T prime, extra thing I am doing. To find T prime, what to do? What to do? You need to do the free body diagram for 3 kg. Everyone try at home today. To do free body diagram for 3 kg and try to understand what is T prime. Okay. I'll give you hints little here, okay? So A value already remember. Now hints I am giving for T prime. To find T prime. To find T prime, what you do? Now you do free body diagram of 3 kg mass. So like this one everyone see. This is the 3 kg mass. Upward direction is T prime. Downward direction is 3G. And acceleration A. A already given. What is given? G by 3. So G by 3. Now listen here. Applying Newton's second law. Applying Newton's second law. If you apply Newton's second law, what will get, say everyone? 3G minus T prime equal to 3A. Or T prime equal to 3G minus 3A. Now 3 take common, G minus A. T prime is G minus A. Now A value already you know. What is that A value? So 3 into G minus G by 3. Now calculate how much will come. 3G minus G, 2G, this will come 2G by 3. 2G by 3, 3 cancel, answer is what? 2G. And if G value 10, then 20 Newton. G value 10, 20 Newton. Understood? This one you try at home today. I gave hints how to calculate. 3 kg object you do, and 3 kg is moving downward, T prime upward, 3G will be down. Listen. Then acceleration is G by 3, which is downward direction. Yes or no? Then you use Newton's second law, net force equal to mass times acceleration. Okay? Net time equal to mass times acceleration. Now you calculate T prime. I hope you understood this, right? No doubt? Any doubt is there? No? Okay. Thank you. Thank you all of you. Not it done. Like and subscribe with Alex NEET Academy YouTube channel. All the very best.